prior to surgery, I was very active and did lots of outdoor things and weeding in the garden and lawn mowing and all of that stuff. And then the pain gradually increased to the point that I could barely stand or walk, so consequently almost everything stopped. Prior to surgery, I did do a little bit of research and kind of checking things out on the internet so that I kind of knew what I was going to be facing and knew that that's what I had to do and what I wanted to do. I came across Dr. Bowen at the point that my hips were bad, but it hadn't escalated to the point that it was right before surgery. I was just referred to him by my doctor and liked him so much, just absolutely loved him, and felt very secure and very at ease with him, and just decided that he was the guy that was going to do it. Yes, there was at first it was like, let's hold off as long as you can hold off, and I think that's probably what made me hold off as long as I did. And then it just got to the point that I couldn't hold off any longer and called and said, it's time. So we began. The pain difference is like, there's no comparison. Yeah, there's after surgery hurts, but nothing in comparison to what it felt like prior to surgery. So, and that actually went away pretty quick too. It didn't hang around for too long. And I was up on my feet immediately. And in fact, I remember telling one day the home nurses came to the house, and this wasn't even, I don't even think it was 2 weeks after surgery. And my question to her was, when can I vacuum the house? And she says, well, I've never had anybody ask me that. I don't know. So I was up and ready to go real quickly. Within 2 weeks, I was back on my feet, moving around and doing things. This staff is an amazing group of people, and it starts at the front desk and goes clear through the back of the office. Every single one of them are helpful, fun, easy to talk to. If you've got a problem or if you need help with something, everybody here is just so helpful and willing to do whatever they can for you. I would so highly recommend Bowen Orthopedics that I do all the time. When people tell me that they're having issues with pain in hips or whatever, I always say there's one guy that you need to go to, and that's Dr. Bowen.